Uh, Good morning, everyone, and welcome for today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have started the T and pi representation of the two-port network. So we have covered the T representation, that is T network. So T network is nothing but any network you can convert into T network, which consisting of three impedances connected in the form of capital T. So we have derived the different formulas or how to describe the T network with the help of Z parameters as well as with the help of ABCD parameters. All those points we have covered. We have solved also one problem based on the T representation or T network. So today we will start the next representation of the two-port network, and that will be pi representation. Okay, so first of all we will see similar to T network, its nature will be, or we can say, three impedances or three admittances connected in the form of pi. जसं टी नेटवर्क मध्ये इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॅपिटल टी होतं, तसं इथं काय असणार आहे, द इम्पेडन्सेस, थ्री इम्पेडन्सेस और थ्री ऍडमिटन्सेस connected in the form of pi. So we will start now. Any two port network, any two port network, मग त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं काय असू देत. ओके, एनी टू पोर्ट नेटवर्क म्हणूया आपण. नेटवर्क मे बी रिप्रेझेंटेड, may be represented by an equivalent, by an equivalent pi network, equivalent pi network. So make it underline, equivalent pi network, that is three impedances. जसं ZA ZB वगैरे दिलं होतं ना, तसं सेम थ्री impedances or three admittances. Mainly we are taking admittances. So admittance means what? 1 upon Z. जर इम्पिडन्स दिलं असेल तर तुम्हाला ऍडमिटन्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. हाऊ? 1 upon Z करायचं, तुम्हाला Y मिळेल. Y means what? Admittance. So three admittances, that is three impedances or admittances, are connected together in the form of pi, in the form of pi. म्हणजे हे दोन पॅरलल आणि इथे एक सिरीज येणार, असं येणार, ऍज शोन इन फिगर. So I will draw the figure now so that you will get the idea. So this will be a pi network, we can say. So here three admittances. Okay, so this will be Y1, central one will be the Y2, and this will be Y3. So these are called as what? Parallel arm, and this is called as what? Shunt arm. Remember, arm, ARM. So Y1, Y3, Y2, these are the admittances. जर इथे इम्पिडन्सेस असेल तर तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, ऍडमिटन्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. सो हाऊ टू कन्वर्ट ऍडमिटन्स, अगेन आय विल टेल. 1 upon Z करा. समजा इथं 5 ओम आहे, सपोज हिअर 5 ओम रजिस्टर इज कनेक्टेड. सो यू कॅन कन्वर्ट 5 ओम रजिस्टर इंटू ऍडमिटन्स. मग त्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is 0.2. So 0.2 is nothing but value of Y1. समजा इथं 10 आहे, 10 रजिस्टर कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे, 10 ओम. So 1 upon 10, that is 0.1. 0.1 is the value of Y2. Suppose Y3 is there. Suppose take any values. Suppose we are taking 2 ohm. So 1 upon 2 means what? 0.5. So 0.5 mho will be the value of Y3. So once you can convert into impedance into admittance, you can represent with the help of, here we are going to use, to represent pi network, we are going to use y parameters as well as abcd parameters. जर t network मध्ये कुठलं यूज केलं होतं, z parameters and abcd. Here we are going to use y parameters and abcd to describe the pi network. So as usual, this will be the 1 dash, port 1 dash, this will be port 2 dash. So you can mention all the port variables, I2 plus minus V2. This is plus minus V1 and this will be plus minus I1. This is the figure, we can say this is the pi network. So जर त्याचं नेचर बघितलात तुम्ही, if you are observing the nature, it is looking like pi. These are the two parallel arms and this will be the series. So if you are comparing, it is looking like pi. Understood? That's why it is called as pi representation. Now next point, to describe pi network, to describe, make it underline, pi network, y parameters or abcd parameters are used. ABCD parameters are used. So again use the conventional method. Conventional method मध्ये म्हणजेच काय, y parameter जर तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल तर V2 शॉर्ट करावा लागतो. V2 शॉर्ट केलं की हा काय होतं, ओपन होणार. मग त्याच्यानुसार तुम्ही इक्वेशनला, इक्वेशन वरनं दोन पॅरामीटर मिळवू शकता. V2 शॉर्ट केल्यानंतर कुठलं पॅरामीटर मिळणार, y11 आणि y21. सिमिलरली V1 शॉर्ट करा, V1 शॉर्ट केल्यानंतर दोन पॅरामीटर मिळतील, y12 आणि y22. In this way you can get the formulas, but I will give the direct formulas. So it is not required the derivation. Nobody will ask the derivation. Many times they are asking the problems only. Okay, so for problems we need the formulas. So if you are remembering the formulas, then you can able to solve the problems based on pi network. So y parameters of this pi network are given by y11. y11 चं इक्वेशन कसं असतं, I upon V असतो. y means admittance, I upon V. So 11 means year 1. So condition काय असतं y parameter मध्ये, V2 equal to 0. And this is, I will write y21. First of all I will write. So this will be I2 upon V1. So condition will remain same. So y11 is equal to, so what is the formula for this, that is y addition of these two. Okay, so y1 plus y2. Now next, okay, wait. So the y parameters we are going to use to describe the pi network. So first of all y11 and y21 we can get by using the condition what, v2 equal to 0. म्हणजे second put short करून दोन parameter तुम्हाला मिळतील. So y11 is equal to I1 upon v1, that is equal to y1 plus y2. म्हणजे addition of these two you have to make it. So y21, so y21 is equal to I2 upon v1, condition is same, v2 equal to 0. So that you can get minus of y2. फक्त फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवा. जर हे कसं आलं, जर हे माहित करून घ्यायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला कन्व्हेन्शनल मेथड, हा नेटवर्क आहे समजा, मग अप्लाय करा. वाय पॅरामीटर जसं तुम्ही अप्लाय केलं होतं टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम, यू कॅन गो थ्रू दॅट मेथड अँड यूज दॅट मेथड, यू विल गेट दिस आन्सर. ओके, तुम्ही ऍज अ होमवर्क करू शकता. देर इज नो नीड ऍक्च्युअली, बट यू, इफ यू आर व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हाऊ वी कॅन गेट दीज फॉर्म्युलेज, फॉर दॅट यू कॅन डू इट. सो y12 is equal to I1 upon V2. So condition is now changed, that is V1 equal to 0, E is equal to minus Y2 only. So these will be the same, minus Y2. And finally Y22 is equal to I2 upon V2. So condition is same, V1 equal to 0. E is equal to now addition of these two, now Y2 and Y3, or Y3 plus Y2, you can make it anything. Okay, so it is also easy to remember. Y11 म्हणजेच काय, addition of these two. Y22 म्हणजेच काय, addition of these two. And centralize Y21 and Y12, this is minus Y2. Okay, very simple to remember. Understood? So these are the formulas or description of pi network using y parameters. इथं कोणाला अडचण इथपर्यंत? Any doubt? So how this formula came? If you want, you can go through a conventional method. Put v2 equal to 0. इक्वेशन ला y पॅरामीटरचे इक्वेशन लिहून तुम्ही परत ते फाइंड आउट करू शकता. टेक ॲज अ होमवर्क and cross check whether we will get the correct answer or not. Okay, so if no doubt is there, we will move towards the abcd parameters. Chal. So next point will be abcd parameters are used to describe the pi networks. So here also I will directly write the formulas. So a is equal to so a is equal to y3 plus y2 किंवा y2 plus y3 whatever divided by y2. b is equal to 1 upon y2. Then c is equal to so here it is y1 into y2 plus y2 into y3 plus y3 into y1 divided by y2, and d is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by y2. So what is the common thing here? तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल. What is the common thing? Everywhere y2 is in the denominator. Okay, so a is what? Voltage gain actually. त्याला युनिट नसतो. Okay, so a is equal to y2 plus y3 करायचा. Okay, b is म्हणजे काय? b is equal to impedance. मग 1 upon admittance केलं की impedance येतो. Okay, so c is equal to actually काय असतो? Admittance. बरोबर आहे. आता इथं मो स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय मो म्हणजे एक मो कॅन्सल होणार, मो राहणार. मो म्हणजेच ऍडमिटन्स. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ सम ऑफ product of admittances connected in the form of T network. And final D is equal to, आता इथं y2 plus y3 घेतले, इथं काय घ्यायचं y1 plus y2 means y2 is the common here in between these two. So y1 plus y2 divided by y2. So y2 is common in all parameters in the denominator. Understood? So you have to remember the formulas. एक दोनदा तुम्ही फक्त प्रॅक्टिस करा. You will remember automatically these formulas. Also you can keep these formulas in the form of logic. Logic लक्षात घ्या, y2 आहे denominator मध्ये. Okay, so this will be a pi representation. If theory question is asking explain pi representation of the two port network, you have to write up to this. जे आता मी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंटला सांगितलं तिथपासून इथपर्यंत तुम्ही लिहिलं तर तुम्हाला बरं 4 पैकी more than 3 marks you will get. 3.5 almost 4 marks. If they are asking the question on explain T representation or T network of the two port network, then also you can write the theoretical part which covered in the last lecture. Most of the times they are asking the problems only based on the T network as well as pi network. याच्यात कोणी डाऊट? कोणाला डाऊट? एनीवन? So take down the question. The port currents of a two-port network are given by the port currents of a two-port network are given by, so equation they have given, I1 is equal to 2.5 V1 minus V2, I2 is equal to minus V1 plus 5 V2. So find, what is the question? Find equivalent pi network. Find equivalent pi network. So how you can solve this problem? Anyone? First of all, read the question carefully. What are the input they have given and what is the question? The port currents of a two-port network are given by, they given in the form of equation. I1 is equal to 2.5 V1 minus V2. I2 is equal to minus V1 plus 5 into V2. So find equivalent pi network. Anyone? Anyone guessed how to solve? Hmm. What? Okay. I1 is equal to 2.5. What is that 2.5? Anyone? हे दोन इक्वेशन कुठल्या पॅरामीटरचे इक्वेशन आहेत? Yes. Yes. So these equations are looking in the form of equations of a admittance parameter. That is y parameter. Y parameter चे equation सारखे आहेत ना? I1, I2 dependent, V1, V2 as a independent. So whatever the values are given, those are nothing but y parameters of two port network. हे ज्यांना समजलं त्यांना हा प्रॉब्लेम लगेच सॉल्व्ह करता येईल. Have you understood? Compare these two equations with equations of y parameters, then you can get the idea. जर हे इक्वेशनच तुम्हाला लक्षात आले नसेल तर तुम्ही हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करू शकत नाही. बरोबर आहे? सो दीज टू इक्वेशन्स आर नथिंग बट equations of a y parameters. So indirectly they have given the y parameters of a two port network. So from the given equation you can write all those parameters as a input. As a input तुम्ही फक्त पहिला काय करायचं लिहून घ्यायचे. So we'll start to solve this problem. So first of all, what is the given things? Okay, the y parameters directly you can write now. The y parameters of a two-port network are given by, first of all write equation as it is, 2.5 V1 minus V2, I2 is equal to minus V1 plus 5 V2. Therefore y11 is equal to किती येणार y11 2.5. What is unit? Mho. Then y12 किती येणार आहे with sign here to take, that is minus 1 mho. Then y21 इथं पण minus 1 mho and y22 is 5 mho. So these are the given things. These are the given things you have to identify. So y11, y12, y21 and y22 are the given. आता y पॅरामीटर माहित असेल तर पाय नेटवर्कचे तुम्हाला हे ऍडमिटन्सेस काढता येईल. y1, y2 and y3. Okay, आता तो पार्ट राहिला आय थिंक. Okay, that is missing here. We will complete it. So here we can make a correction here. Correction म्हणण्यापेक्षा adding the point. So समजा तुम्हाला y11 माहिती आहे, y21 माहिती आहे, y12 and y22. Then how to find out y1, y2, y3? How to find y1, y2 and y3 based on these? तुम्हाला हे दिलेले आहेत पॅरामीटर्स दे हॅव गिवन. रिव्हर्स y1 is equal to in terms of y parameters. या दोघींचं ऍडिशन करा ना. या दोन्हीचं प्लस y21 करा. y2 कॅन्सल होतो, y1 राहतो. ओके, सो y1 इज इक्वल टू y11 प्लस y21 किंवा y11 प्लस y12 both is same. This is the first. Second one y2 हे आहे, y2 म्हणजेच मायनस y1 किंवा मायनस y12, मायनस y12 किंवा मायनस y21 and third one y3. so y3 is equal to y3 कसं करायचं, सेम y22 प्लस हा केलं की तुम्हाला y3 मिळेल, y22 प्लस y21 किंवा y22 प्लस y12. कुठलेही फॉर्म्युले ह्या दोन्हीतले यूज करू शकता, ह्या दोन्हीतलं कुठले यूज करू शकता, ह्या दोन्हीतलं कुठले यूज करू शकता टू फाइंड आउट y1 y2 y3. Understood? So this is required for solving our problem. Similarly, here also, how to find out if a b c d parameters are given, how to find out y1 y2 y3. y1 is equal to anyone, abcd दिलेले आहेत तुम्हाला, त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला पाय नेटवर्क डिझाइन करायचे. so y1 is equal to, so you can cross check, d minus 1 divided by b, y2 is equal to 1 upon b, y2 डायरेक्टली मिळेल, y2 केलं की 1 upon b केलं की y2 मिळेल. ओके, and y3 is equal to a minus 1 upon b. so these are the formulas to get reverse if y parameter, if abcd parameters are given, and if you convert from any network into a pi network, you need abcd parameters or y parameters, दोन्हीपैकी एक माहित असायला पाहिजे. Okay, so what we required here we know the y parameters are given, so from this we can get the value of y1 y2 y3. These are nothing but admittances of pi network. So we will get now, we will start now how to find out. So now the elements of pi network, the elements of pi network are given by, the elements of pi network are given by, so first of all y1. so what is the formula for y1? I told now, y1 is equal to y11 plus y12 घ्या किंवा y21 घ्या, whatever. so what is the answer of this one? y11 किती आलंय, किती दिलेलं आहे 2.5 प्लस y12 किती दिलेलं आहे -1. okay, so what is the answer of y1? so I will give the number here first. so y1 is equal to 2.5 minus 1, that is 1.5, and admittance असल्यामुळे त्याचं युनिट मो असणार आहे. so this is my first element. second one y2, so y2 is equal to what? minus y12 किंवा minus y21. y12 किती आहे आपलं इनपुट -1 दिलेलं आहे, so minus of -1, so y2 is equal to किती येणार 1 mo. so this is second answer. so third one, that is y3. so y3 is equal to y22 plus y21 घ्या किंवा y12 घ्या, whatever. so y22 is equal to 5. okay, plus y21 किती आहे -1 आहे, so y3 is equal to 5 मधून -1 गेला, that is 4 mo. so this is the last answer, 4 mo. so finally you have to draw the pi network and mention all those values. so pi network, how to draw here, 3 admittances connected in the form of in the form of pi. so draw all the admittances. so these are the admittances. now this will be the what, y2, this is y1, and this is y3. okay, so put the values. y1 किती आलं आपलं, y1 we got 1.5 mo. many students making mistake, इथं ओम लिहून टाकतात. okay, so carefully write all those values. so y2 is equal to किती आलंय 1 mo, and y3 is equal to 4 mo. okay, so this will be the answer of this particular problem. any doubt in this? सो वाय पॅरामीटर जर माहित असेल तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यावरनं पाय नेटवर्क मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येईल. जर एबीसीडी पॅरामीटर माहित असेल तर एबीसीडी वरनं पण तुम्हाला पाय नेटवर्क डिझाइन करता येईल. अंडरस्टूड. सो इनडायरेक्टली वी कॅन से the conclusion point of this pi network is that any network you can convert into pi network by using either y parameters or abcd parameters. मग कुठलंही नेटवर्क घ्या त्याचं वाय पॅरामीटर तरी फाइंड आउट करा किंवा एबीसीडी पॅरामीटर्स तरी फाइंड आउट करा. त्याच्यावरनं तुम्हाला पाय नेटवर्क डिझाइन करता येईल किंवा पाय नेटवर्क मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येईल. अंडरस्टूड. सो एनी डाउट इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉब्लेम? कोणाला डाउट? Okay, so we'll solve one more problem based on the y parameters we will see. So meanwhile I will take attendance. Wait. Okay, so take down the second question. Question number 2. The ABCD parameters of two-port network are given as okay. So you have to again the same problem will be there. Instead of y parameters now abcd parameters are given. So I will write the equation now. Are given as v1 is equal to 5v2 minus 6i2, i1 is equal to 3v2 minus 8i2, and question is find pi network, find equivalent pi network. Can you able to solve now? तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता? Once again I will show and read the question carefully. The ABCD parameters of two network are given as V1 is equal to 5V2 minus 6I2, I1 is equal to 3V2 minus 8I2. Okay, so question is find equivalent pi network. Find an equivalent pi network. How to solve now? First of all, take the given points. So ABCD parameters are given in terms of equation. They are given directly. They have given the name ABCD parameters. म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते आयडेंटिफाय करायचं काय सवालच नाही. Okay, so the ABCD parameters of two-port network are given by. So once again write the equation as it is. So V1 is equal to 5V2 minus 6I2, V2 is equal to 3V2 minus 8I2. So from this we can get ABCD parameters. So A is equal to 5, no unit. B is equal to what? B is equal to 6 येणार फक्त. Okay, कारण minus as it is असतो. Don't take minus. Many students are making confusion here. -6 घेतात. So B is equal to 6 ohm. C is equal to that is 3 mho, and D is equal to 8. So don't take -8. Okay, कारण इक्वेशन मध्ये ऑलरेडी मायनस असतो. And here B and D is there. किंवा तुम्हाला खूपच कन्फ्युजन होत असेल तर तुम्ही इक्वेशन लिहू शकता. V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2. सॉरी v1 इथं i1 पाहिजे. Here it is i1. So it is i1 is equal to c into v2 minus d into i2. So write the equation and then compare, and then you can get the what are the values given. So make it correction here. It is i1, v1 i1. Okay. So once you know the ABCD parameters, you can design now, or you can design the pi network. So pi network चे elements तुम्हाला आता काढायचे. The elements of pi network are, so what are the elements? y1. First of all, find out y1. So y1 चा फॉर्म्युला काय सांगितलं होतं? That is d minus 1 divided by b. Okay. Second one, y2 is equal to 1 upon b. And third one, y3 is equal to a minus 1 divided by b. इथं पण सगळीकडे b डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये कॉमन आहे. So find out the values, put and find out the values. d किती आहे? 8. 8 minus 1 divided by b किती आहे? 6. So 7 by 6, that is mo. असं ठेवलं तरी चालेल किंवा पॉइंट मध्ये काढा. So 1 upon 6 mo. And here it is 5 minus 1 divided by 6, that is 4 by 6 किंवा 1 by 3 म्हणा. 1 by 3 mo. Sorry, 2 by 3 आहे ना, 2 by 3. Okay. So either you can convert into point or keep as it is. So the pi network you can draw now. So pi network you can draw and mention all those values. So once you get the admittances, that is elements of the pi network y1, y2, y3, once you get the values, you can draw the pi network y1, y2, y3. Clearly mention. Don't confuse between y1 where most of the students काय करतात y1, y2, y3 इथे घेतात. Okay. So central one will be the y2. Remember. So y1, what is the value of y1? That is 7 by 6. 7 by 6 mo. What is the value of y2? That is equal to 1 by 6 mo. And y3 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 mo. Okay. So mention the values, and this will be the answer of this particular question.